Hello guys, this is Surprise EXP Realty, New Jersey. I'm going to show you today how many properties we have available in Piscataway. Piscataway, New Jersey is 08854 zip code. You could uh, Google it. It has a lots of areas, uh, tons of energies, technologies, are huge jobs, like a mid. It's like a biggest meltdown here in Piscataway, New Jersey, and so I'm going to show you. Quick review. Yeah, this is right here. As you can see, this is the property. This says a low-income condominium. The minimum household size is 3%. Maximum gross annual for 3% is 55, and it is 66 or 61,600 for 5%. Let's check a quick look at the properties outside. I believe it has a basement, but we cannot say sure until we see them. So this is the living, dining, and a bed. This is upstairs, upstairs, and upstairs. I do not see any picture that would reflect the basement, but it says here 2 levels, so no basement, 3 bedrooms, and it is built in 1992, so pretty commemorate, huh? Like modern. You could say modern. Has a forced air, natural gas, air conditioned, central air, all utilities underground. I believe you might have a maintenance fee, $106. So $106 maintenance fee. It's not a big deal, not a big amount. And this is right where in the middle of, I think this is the south end border of Piscataway. I believe. Let's check it out one more time. Una más. So this is where it is. Ethel Road. Yeah, Ethel Road, and this is Stelton Road. So, and this is here's Edison. So we are very much like the border of south western border, I believe, of Edison. And all nice areas. I could maybe take you someday, maybe just, oh, there's no view over here. That is interesting. I'm sorry. Don't get lost over here. Okay. So that's pretty much it. The apartment, $152,000 apartment. Okay, it's 2 stories, 3 bedrooms, 152. What else we need? 152. Maybe I'll tell my brother, but a minimum size has to be 3. So you have to be married or something like that. Great. And that's the only property that's like $152,000. And the next closest is like 275,000. So you can see. Excuse me. Also, there's some Highland Park is in 0854. Interesting. We could add Edison to see what's the closest, because these are the closest towns. Highland Park, Piscataway, Edison, and then Metuchen, South Plainfield, North Plainfield, Middlesex, Dunellen, Greenbrook, South Greenbrook, and South Boundbrook. These are all the towns around here. I will show you someday, but this is all we have to say today. So if you have to reach back to me, here's my contact information. Should be around here somewhere. I'm going to leave it there. And thank you very much for your time. See you in the next video.